welcome to my channel. And this reading is for you if your sun, moon, rising and Venus are in the sign of Cancer. And this reading is for July 2021. So I'm going to ask 3-4 questions, and simultaneously we'll be picking few cards as piece of advice and current energy, your overall energy, what you don't see coming, etc, etc. So I hope you have watched my video on Jupiter retrograde part 1 that also deals with July. 2/3 of July is covered there. If not, the link is there in the description box. Okay, so let's go ahead with your reading, Cancer. Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus, July 2021. What is your current energy, Cancer? I'm going to pull a few cards for your current energy, which takes you to with which you will be entering July 2021. Let's see. Cancer's current energy. There are 2 cards, I guess, has already come. Okay, Knight of Pentacles. Somehow, when I was shuffling Knight of Pentacles, this was there in my head. Okay, something is definitely slowly moving in your life, something of value, something you're thinking, you're trying to evaluate and create value. You're offering something, at this point of time, I think you're thinking of offering your support, your communication, a beginning that you want, but you're really slow, Cancer. I think you're thinking and overthinking about something because it has to have value, because Cancerians, you're very homely, you're very motherly, nurturing energy you have. So Knight of Pentacles is a very slow card, but it is actually moving towards value. It is evaluating and offering its pentacle to this Page of Cup, which is offering emotion. So maybe somebody is offering you love and compassion, and you're offering this person your values and your commitment. Okay, but overall, I think at this point of time there is a lot of communication going on in your life. You're talking to a lot of people, because Page of Cups and Knight of Pentacles, pages and knights are messengers. So there is some information you're receiving, which is you're giving. So there's a lot of to and fro of communication happening here, Cancerians. That's your current energy, and with this communication, you move into July 2021. Maybe it can be collecting information, talking to people to collect information, because you're behaving like a Knight of Pentacles, okay? You have to offer value. So, and Cancerians, happy birthday. Knight of Pentacles and Page of Cups. Okay, now I'm going to draw 2 cards for what is it that you don't see coming in July 2021 amid this to and fro of communication and this value and offers and all that. What is it that you don't see coming in July 2021? Cancerians, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. And, oh, okay. 6 of Cups and Queen of Cups. You are all over here in your reading, Cancerian. 6 of Cups. Oh, we have 2 cards here. And King of Wands. Okay. 6 of Cups. So what you don't see coming is maybe you're going to connect with your childhood friend for exchange of your emotions. You have a lot of good memories. There's a soulmate connection that you feel, and I think that is what you want to offer, and somehow, and you feel attracted to this person, male or female. And Queen of Cups and King of Wands is like an energy of using your intuition, using your charisma, your seductive powers, skills. Waiting, intuition, by intuitively you're waiting, being a mystery, that kind of energy you are actually thinking. So this is what in July you'll be what you don't see coming is this. You are actually getting attracted towards somebody from the past, or somebody from the past is coming towards you to offer a lot of healing and passion, ambition, and offer you that, oh, I really like you, Cancerians, I really like you. So that's what is happening, Cancerians. I don't think, if you don't see this coming, I think you will be at a loss, because when it comes to you, it's a very good thing. Somebody is coming towards offering a cup of love and compassion, and wow, somebody is attracted towards you, Cancerians, from the past. So it is a blast from the past. Okay. Let me pull two cards as piece of advice from the angels, God, divine, universe, whatever you believe onto, spirit guides, ancestors. So, ascended masters. So, what is the piece of advice for Cancerians? Six of Swords. Six is ruling, okay, and Temperance. Six of Swords and Temperance is a card of moving towards that reconciliation. This is the advice that you have. Probably you are still thinking about the person, and your person also thinks about you. This is all about relationship. I'm sorry. There's nothing I can see. I'll try and see something about money and the other aspects of your life. But here, what I am seeing is you seem to be off balance with respect to your past person, and there is a reconciliation coming your way. And the card of Temperance is talking about, it's a card of giving it a thought, being patient and giving it a thought, because Six of Swords is all about moving towards calmer water. You still are into that, okay? So, but then Six of Swords and Temperance as your advice means things will be fine. Temperance is a card of having patience. Temperance is a card of not rushing into your or giving into your watery energy or your passion. Or if somebody approaches you and you're like, wow. Okay, so obviously Six of Swords and Temperance is about healing. So angels are actually, and the gods are telling you that there is a lot of healing. Okay, but simultaneously you have to have patience, temperance. Okay, it is about balancing your water and fiery energy. So stay balanced, because six, and then Temperance. So Temperance is balance. Six is like six is a card of balancing two aspects of your life, between the negative, positive, past, present and future, like that. Okay, so your spiritual energy and materialistic energy, your spiritual life and materialistic life. So that kind of, okay, maybe you already have a person at the moment, and somebody from some kind of blast from the past happens, and you're like, oh, now what to do? So I don't see anything negative here. I don't see any confusion here. It's just that you're being slow, you're trying to decide on something. You seem to be off balance a bit because of the six, and your advice is, whatever happens, if some communication is happening, you're connecting with somebody and you're reconciling, have patience. Okay. Okay, now I'm going to pull three cards as your overall July 2021 energy for Cancer, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. One, two, and one more, please. Cancer 2021 July. So your advice is Ace of, your overall energy is Ace of Cup. Oh, Ace of Wands. Ooh, there's a start. King of Pentacles. So there is something in this month, definitely in terms of your relationship, wherein there is a lot of physical attraction also, because we have King of Wands and Ace of Wands, Ace of Cups, a lot of feelings, a lot of attraction, a lot of energetic pull. Ace is a very good card, and that comes with King of Pentacles. So there is a lot of stability in that relationship also, Cancerians. So I think you should really, that's my personal opinion. If I would have been, and this reading would have been mine, I probably would have gone ahead with this reconciliation, or the past person coming my way. So Ace of Cups and Ace of Wands and King of Pentacles are the cards that there is a new beginning in terms of your relationship and overall in your life. And that will give you a lot of stability, because we started with Knight of Pentacles, which is a very slow energy, and Knight of Pentacles moves towards, we are ending it with King of Pentacles, which is actually a card of that stability, working hard, having that nourishing energy, taking care of children, being the bread earner of the family and giving that stability to people in your life. So that kind of a stability you're getting. In case you're looking for a job or something, since it started with Knight of Pentacles and King of Pentacles, I think it is to do with some, you will be getting some offers, because Knight and Pages and Aces are the cards of communication and a fresh start. Have patience, you will be moving towards a much better situation because of the final card of your Ace of Cups, Ace of Wands, and King of Pentacles. So very wonderful, Cancerians. Thank you for this wonderful reading. I could not find anything negative here, and that's wonderful. Stay tuned for all the weekly readings, and Jupiter retrograde reading part 1 has already been uploaded, and the link is there in the description box. If you like this video, please share it with your loved ones, and do comment in the comment section how this Aces and Kings and Knights and Pages work out for you. You may have options also, and finally you come to a point of deciding between the past person and the present or the future person, whosoever you will be attracting in July 2021. I'm excited to listen to your stories, Cancerians. Please do share. Please take care of yourself. I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.